Let us find molecular mass of an unknown substance using relative lowering of vapor pressure as one of the colligative property. Okay, look at this problem. You are given vapor pressure of pure benzene, that is our solvent, to be 640 mm. Into this benzene, we are dissolving one non-volatile solute, taking 2.175 gram of the solute, and the weight of benzene taken in the question is 39 gram. They are asking us to find out molecular mass of the solute, giving us the vapor pressure of the solution 600 mm of mercury. Okay. Now just remember what formula we derived yesterday. In our formula we had written that Pa0 minus Pa upon Pa0 is equal to WB Ma upon MB WA. Now let's substitute. First of all, in all the question, first of all take out the data from the given question in the form of notations that are given in the formula. Now let's first know how much is Pa0. Pa0 stands for vapor pressure of pure solvent. Vapor pressure of pure solvent in this case is 640 mm Hg. Then what is Pa? It is the vapor pressure of the solution, which is 600 mm mercury. Okay. Then they are asking us WB is mass of solute, which is taken as 2.175 gram. Then WA is 39 gram. Then they are asking us MB. MB they are asking. Okay. Let's substitute the values. In place of Pa0, it is 640 minus 600 by 640 is equal to WB, which is mass of the solute, taken as 2.175 gram into molar mass of the solvent. Molar mass of the solvent we have not written in the data. It's molar mass of benzene, which is 78. Okay, so into 78 upon mass of the MB, which is the molar mass of solute that we have to find out, and WA is mass of solvent, which is 39 gram. Okay, so from this we are asked to find out MB. एक छोटा सा चेंज यहीं पे कर लेते हैं. This will be 2 times. Okay. अब हम आगे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. हमें MB फाइंड करना है and this difference is 40 as you know. तो हम MB के फॉर्म में ये इक्वेशन लिख लेते हैं. MB will be equal to, we'll do a simple cross multiplication. So it will be equal to 2.175 into 2 into 640 divided by then 40 into 1, nothing, it's 40 only. Okay, so simply this much is your calculation. This divided by 40, because in the denominator you have this and this, so here it is only 40. So let's go for the calculation. If you look at these values and you calculate, this also cancels by 16. So you have 32 into 2. This will nearly come 65 point something, maybe 65.25, the molar mass of the unknown substance. So this is your answer. I hope you got it. So this is how we use relative lowering of vapor pressure quantity to find the molecular mass of an unknown.